This module is designed to ensure that students know the troubleshooting protocols when problems occur in the microscopy lab. After this module, students should know what to do if they're having issues viewing their sample under the microscope or on the computer screen. So, if you're having issues viewing your sample under the microscope, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Make sure all your components are powered on. To ensure that you're doing this properly, you can check the powering on and off video. So for this particular microscope, we're looking at the stand, the light is on here, the LED source, and the computer and the software. There are other systems where you might have to check if the lasers are on as well. Step 2. Check your light path. Make sure that your sample is illuminated. If you're trying to visualize, for example, green fluorescent molecules, you'll be exciting those with blue light. So, on your microscope, you want to check that the blue light is actually turning on when you hit on. If you don't see any light at the sample plane, that's an indication that the light is not on, whether it's the LED or the laser. If you're having trouble viewing it at the eyepiece, you want to make sure that the light is directed to the eyepiece. If you're having trouble viewing it on the computer, you want to make sure that the light source is directed towards the camera, or the side. On other systems that are not camera-based, you'll want to make sure that the light is directed to the scan head. If you're still having problems, you see the light source, you're directing it to the right place, and you don't see anything on the screen, then you'll have to make more drastic effects. The first thing to do is to restart the software. Close it down, give it a good minute, and restart. If that doesn't work, then you may have to restart the computer. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, then it might be time to call the microscopy specialist. But before you do, a good tip is always to have a test slide with you, something that's got a good fluorescent signal. If problems occur, then you can attempt to image this sample and see whether it's experiencing the same issues. This will allow you to recognize whether the problem is your sample or the microscope. Alright, these were some quick and easy steps for troubleshooting. If you want to learn more about what could go wrong when imaging, feel free to check out our Common Mistakes in the Lab video. Thank you for watching!